Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best RV mop is probably one of the most important cleaning tools for RVers, making maintaining your RV's cleanliness easy and efficient. In this video, we will review the best RV mops on the market, comparing their features, ease of use, and overall effectiveness to help you choose the perfect one for your needs and budget. Number 5. Ordenado 62 Car Wash Brush Kit. It features 4 aluminum poles that can be assembled into 3 different lengths, so you can easily reach any part of your car, truck, or RV without straining yourself. This adaptability makes cleaning so much easier, no matter the vehicle's size. The poles connect securely, preventing any accidental retraction or stretching during use. The 180 degrees rotating mop head and anti-slip handle give you complete control and make cleaning more convenient. When disassembled, the mop head can be used as a wash mitt or sponge. Its soft chenille microfiber material gently cleans and absorbs dirt without scratching your vehicle's surface. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it's resistant to rust and bending, ensuring long-lasting use. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor cleaning. It's not just for cars. Use it to clean windows, dust furniture, or even clean hard-to-reach areas around your home. It's a truly versatile cleaning tool. The kit includes 4 poles, a mop head, and an extra chenille microfiber head. We offer a 12-month warranty for your peace of mind. What we like? It features an adjustable length, ensuring you can reach any spot without straining. The sturdy connection prevents accidental detachment during use. If you need a versatile, scratch-free cleaning tool for various heights and surfaces, this is the one for you. What people say. Went together easily and is so soft that it does not scratch vehicle. Length makes it easy to wash roof as well as all parts. This made very quick work for washing my car. 15 minutes start to finish. Sturdy. Plenty of length. The pads are soft enough to avoid scratching the paint but firm enough to lift dirt and grime easily. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and perfect for hard-to-reach areas. Number 4. DOCA Car Wash Brush. This innovative brush makes car washing a breeze. Its long reach and soft bristles ensure a spotless clean without scratching your vehicle's finish. With its extendable handle and large brush head, it easily cleans every inch of your car, truck, or SUV. No more struggling to reach those hard-to-clean areas. The ultra-soft bristles are gentle on all surfaces. It's safe for paint, windows, and even house siding. Its unique angled bristles reach into every corner and crevice. Cleaning has never been so thorough and efficient. It's not just for cars. Use it to clean decks, remove cobwebs, or tackle other hard-to-reach cleaning tasks around your home. The universal threaded tip allows you to attach various cleaning tools. Expand its capabilities with additional DOCA pole attachments. What we like? This mop boasts an impressive reach, perfect for cleaning hard-to-reach areas on large vehicles. The soft bristles ensure a scratch-free clean on delicate surfaces. If you prioritize a long reach and gentle cleaning, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The pole is really solid, the nicest and seemingly the sturdiest pole of this type I found. The brush is also great, soft yet very tightly packed with bristles. This brush is super soft, very dense, and the pole is very sturdy and built well. Very easy to adjust with its latches instead of push buttons. It goes super far, which is perfect for cleaning up my RV roof. The main extender is really small, so I'm extra careful when I use it. Number 3. Wontolf Car Wash Brush Kit. This car wash kit is the ultimate collection of cleaning tools, perfect for car enthusiasts. It's a fun and efficient way to keep your car, RV, SUV, or truck sparkling clean. The microfiber chenille mitt is machine washable, super absorbent, and incredibly gentle on your car's finish. It easily assembles and disassembles for detailed cleaning. After washing, use the long-handled squeegee to effortlessly wipe away water, leaving a streak-free shine. It's also great for home windows. This handy duster tackles interior dust and wheels. Extend it with the poles to reach those hard-to-reach spots, both inside and outside your vehicle. The super absorbent microfiber towels leave no streaks or scratches. They're perfect for drying your car and even for cleaning around the house. With this kit, you have everything you need for a complete and thorough car wash. Enjoy the satisfaction of a sparkling clean vehicle. What we like? It offers an extra long handle for effortless cleaning of high areas. It's more than just a mop, it's a complete car cleaning kit. If you want a convenient all-in-one solution for various cleaning tasks, this is ideal. What people say. The long-handled wash mop with swivel heads makes cleaning large surfaces much easier. Just be sure the head is securely screwed on to avoid it falling off during use. The tire brush was especially effective on rims and the grill area, while the interior duster and microfiber cloth were great for keeping the inside clean. I also appreciated the squeegee attachment on the pole. It worked well for removing water droplets and leaving a spotless finish. An added bonus was the inclusion of extra wash pads, so you can rotate them out for cleaning without missing a beat. My car is clean. Easy to use and reaches on top of car easily. Also very soft so won't scratch. Great for the RV, helps me get to the high places. The pole is sturdy and packs away nicely. The head is soft but collects the dirt well. Number 2. Chemical Guys HOL 131 Wash Mop Kit. This kit makes washing even the largest vehicles a breeze. It's got everything you need for a swirl-free clean, from the extendable pole to the premium microfiber mop head. No more ladders. The telescoping pole lets you easily reach every part of your vehicle, even the roof and high areas. The plush microfiber mop head gently cleans your vehicle, preventing scratches and swirls. It leaves a spotless finish. It's perfect for cars, trucks, SUVs, RVs, and more. It's ideal for cleaning hard-to-reach areas on any vehicle. The mop head is machine washable, and parts are easy to replace, ensuring it lasts for years. It's a smart investment for car care. It eliminates the need for dangerous ladder climbing, while ensuring a thorough and safe clean. You'll love the results. What we like? Its telescopic pole makes cleaning large vehicles a breeze. The plush microfiber ensures a gentle, swirl-free wash. If you own a large vehicle like an RV and want a safe and efficient cleaning experience, this is perfect for you. What people say. The mop base swivels in all directions and takes some mental acuity to manipulate, but after a brief learning curve, it worked great on the flat surfaces of my rig. Well, not this one. Chemical Guys made a quality piece, and the handle is quality aluminum, not the beer can thick aluminum as the other guys. The 18W chenille microfiber car wash mop wide pad works well and is a quality pad, and has a Velcro closure and a hanging tab. This mop covers a large area. Number 1. 62 Car Wash Mop Kit. This car wash kit is a 2-in-1 design. The brush head detaches from the pole to become a mitt or sponge, making cleaning super easy and versatile. It features a long, durable stainless steel pole that extends from 16 to 62 inches. The strong design prevents bending or scratching your car. It's not just for cars. Use it to clean floors, windows, even ceiling fans, indoors or out. It's perfect for wet or dry cleaning. The kit includes everything you need: a wash brush, chenille pads, microfiber cloths, and towels. You'll be ready to clean your entire vehicle. We stand behind the quality of this kit. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll provide a solution within 24 hours. What we like? It features a durable stainless steel pole that won't bend or break easily. It can be used as a mop or a mitt, offering versatility. If you're looking for a robust and adaptable cleaning solution for various surfaces, this is a great option. What people say. The brush head stays in place when washing at weird angles, especially underneath the plastic bumpers or moldings. It's not as flimsy as you might guess when opening it up and putting it together. It works well. Easy assembly. The mop head can easily be put on and taken off. It works awesome to reach everywhere while gently cleaning with microfiber mop head. The microfiber mop is super soft, even after being used and rinsed. The handle served its purpose. I could reach the center of my windshield with ease, even without a stepladder. And it was easy to assemble, just screw the pieces together. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.